In this video, I will talk about very interesting topic, which is how to set up a web server on local system. Okay, so mean suppose you are working on any web project and you want to check that, so you can run this. Let me show you how you can run this. So here, like how you can do is, so firstly, what you need to do, you need to install a package HTTP server. This is npm package that you need to install. Then you just need to check npm HTTP server, like is it installed or not. Then you just need to create a distribution of that file folder, and you just give the path name, and with that you can run your server. So yeah, let me show you how it works. Okay, so I have an open project here. So what I can do, firstly let me check the version, is it installed or not. So yeah, here if you see, it is installed. Okay, so now what I need to do means, here means I created a, this is Angular project. If you see, this is Angular project, and here how I need, so now you need to pass the your build path here, and now here this lets you go 8080, it is available on this port. So now let's check, is it working or not. So now if you see, this is deployed, this project is deployed, and you can check your distribution, like is it working or not. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you're facing any issue while setting this server, let us know in comment. And there are other options also, but yeah, this is best that you can use in the project. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.